In this video, we're going to see how we're going to convert a paragraph into a table. So just type in tabulate this information colon and paste the text or the paragraph you wanted to convert, and press enter, and ChatGPT will give you this nice organized table. In this case, how many apples and oranges bought at what cost. So let's go further. Let's say I want to find out the average cost of one apple and one orange based on this information. So you can type what is the average cost of an apple and orange based on the table above, and ChatGPT will give you this feedback. Not the direct answer, but the working calculation as well. So in this case, the cost of an apple is 120 and orange is $2.05. So in ChatGPT, you can also convert a table into a text or paragraph. In this case, I typed in convert the above table into text, and you'll get in a text form. You can also edit this, and let's say I wanted in a paragraph format. Edit and then click send. So ChatGPT will redo in a paragraph form. So you can also copy paste the table you have, yeah, and you'll get a similar answer.